Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your TikTok caption after you've posted the video on your TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Unfortunately, you cannot edit a video's caption once it's posted on TikTok, but instead, the solution is to download the video on your phone, delete the video from TikTok, and then re-upload it with a new caption. Here's how to do it. Go open your TikTok application from your app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you do, go to your profile tab at the bottom right corner that says Me and give it a tap. From your profile, select a video you want to edit. Towards the bottom right of the video, tap the three dots to open an options menu. Once you do that, at the bottom left of the pop-up menu, tap the download button labeled Save Video. The video is now being downloaded on your device. Once you're sure the video has been saved, tap the three dots again. This time, scroll all the way to the right on the lower list of options and tap on Delete. Confirm deletion by tapping on Delete from the pop-up. Once it's deleted, tap on the plus button you would use to add a video. Instead of recording, tap the Upload button to the right of the Record button. Select the video you just saved. Now tap on Select at the upper right. Go back and tap Next at the bottom right corner. Proceed with the posting process as you normally would by tapping on the Next button at the upper right corner. If you want to add any kind of effects or edit your video, then now is the time. Go through the options and make changes to your video. Once you're done, tap on the Next button at the bottom right corner. Only this time, in the Describe Your Video tab, enter a new caption you want to change to. After you do that, tap on the Post button at the bottom right, and there you go. That is how you can edit your TikTok caption. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.